Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about the PhD position available in Space Optical Communication, University of Auckland, Department of Physics in New Zealand. So these two will be the supervisors of that project. Application is competition full funded PhD project. You can take a look more about that project. The University of Auckland is developing a research program in optical communication between ground and orbiting satellites. We are looking for a PhD candidate to adopt an existing optical telescope and build optical instrumentation to demonstrate optical communication from satellites in low Earth orbit. So New Zealand is a part of Australian Optical Communication Ground Segment Working Group. The network will comprise optical telescopes across Australasia to enable optical communications as a service between ground and space. The ideal candidate will have skills or experience in applied optoelectronics, optical instrumentation design, practical astronomy, electronics, scientific computing program. If you are interested in this opportunity, please follow these guidelines. Check your eligibility to take a PhD at University of Auckland and check your eligibility to take PhD at University of Auckland at. So you can take your eligibility here in that link. Click on that link to check your eligibility. Please give outline 500 words of your intent, topic and areas of interest for doctoral study, area for research, why you want to choose this area, what are hope to achieve during your studies in University of Auckland. Email your statement, CV, academic record, including grades and subjects to the contacts of this position. These are funding notes, and so yeah, you can email here, or I will recommend you that you can find these two supervisors and send an email to them. That will be a good idea. So yeah, this is the supervisor John Catter. You can send an email to him about your interest in that project. Unfortunately, our team, you can click here, our team, and you can find the email and send the email to him. And these are the requirements which you need to take a look. And then you need to click here, apply now, to apply for the position. But I will recommend you that first you need to contact these two supervisors about your interest. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have more questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. And yeah, if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye.